crazy. I know, like, would the vice president go so far as to, like, darken the picture of her grandmother to look like a black woman, to put in a book 2019 before she ran for the presidency? I don't know, but that is the information that I have. Tell me what you think. Do you think that is this crazy or what? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay guys, so I know this is a crazy story. It's like a roller coaster ride. I really wish I could say more, but as I stated in previous video, like, the person that I'm communicating with would like to keep anonymous, and out of respect for that person, I would not share much information about that person, because as you can imagine, this is very sensitive. The person I've been communicating with, I've never met the vice president in person, as most of the Jamaican family members, because the divorce took place like decades ago when she was about 11. So most of the family members in Jamaica, they have not met her in person. As you can see, the lady that did the interview on Lady C channel never met her in person. So a lot of people, but it's a bit, I guess, complicated. They see an election going on, they don't want to say too much, and so I understand that, and I have to respect their wishes, because the person have been good enough to or kind enough to share information, and I want to respect the privacy. So let me know what you think in the comment section. You think that this is crazy, that if, you know, it really turned out that she really went that far to Photoshop, you know, a picture of her grandma, like, that sounds crazy to me. So guys, I don't know what to say. So, but don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.